We have a 1x1 Pyraminx, which I'll get into in a sec. This, which is the main cube, the Volt, which, yeah, that's great. And then, let me see, is there anything else? Nope. So that's all that's left in the package. I'll set the other things aside. And these are the 2 things that I got. So I'm going to get into this 1x1 Pyraminx first and talk about that. So basically, I got this cube, or I'm not going to say cube, this 1x1 Pyraminx, because when I ordered this cube, I accidentally had this in my cart, so it came along with it. Nonetheless, it seems pretty high quality, I guess. Let's compare it to an actual tip of a Pyraminx. And it's a little bit bigger, actually, which is weird. But, yeah, I guess it's a cool little collector's thing to have. But, put that aside, and let's get into... Wait. Put that aside. Now let's get into the main thing. This square one. I've been waiting so long. Let's just get right into this. So, here. Oh, and it came with a really cool stand. So I'll definitely be taking a look at that stand later. But I also came with this pamphlet, which has Cubicle Labs, the Cubicle, and the Cubicle Pro Shop, as well as Ro, Phil, and Chris. So that's cool. Put this stuff away, and let's get into this. So I got it in stickerless because I just like stickerless cubes the most. So, yeah. Ooh. Okay, right off the bat, it feels kind of looby on the outside, but that's expected because they do set it up. Let's get in first turns. Ooh, okay. So it's very smooth. I do feel the magnets click, which is a good thing since it is magnetic. So that's good. And also, it's really gummy, but I mean, that's also expected since it is set up. Ooh, okay, this is way better than my current square one main, which is still really good. It's a Cubicle Pro Shop Chi, original Chi. But yeah, this is just really good. Oops, I messed up that out. But yeah, from the looks of this, this is definitely main potential. And most likely will become my main, actually. But yeah, it's really good turning. I'll get a thing to wipe it down in a sec, but yeah, of course, it does have this bigger equator, which is really weird compared to the Chi, but I kind of like it. So it's not going to be something to get used to because it doesn't really affect your solves, but for the most part, it seems like it's going to be a really nice cube once it's fully broken in. Because it already is, and then the magnets are really, really nice. So that's this video. I guess that's the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.